In this Ben's Garage video, we're going to be tuning up a chainsaw. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the optimum performance from your chainsaw. A lot of people just fettle with a carburetor till it sounds right. Different people do it different ways. I'm going to show you how I do it. The only way you can really tune a chainsaw properly is by cutting wood and listening to what the chainsaw's doing. Now, this is a two-stroke engine. I will be using the term the engine is four-stroking. It isn't changing from two-stroke to four-stroke. It's just a term that people use. When a two-stroke engine is running properly, it's got like a clean tone. You rev it up and it's clean. When it's four-stroking, you richen it up so that it gets clean and then it sort of goes. You might hear it on the video. It's a little bit windy out today, but you tune the chainsaw up so that it's four-stroking on full throttle, but as soon as you put it into the wood, the four-stroking clears. That is when a chainsaw is at optimum high power, basically. And then you just adjust the low so that it picks up nice and clean. And then you adjust the idle speed to keep it ticking over. Ticking over enough that the chain's not turning, but it doesn't cut out. So I'm going to get the saw outside, we're going to warm it up, and then we'll have a go at tuning it up. See you outside. So I've done a few repairs to this chainsaw. It's my dad's chainsaw. It's an MS340 stihl. It's a new air filter, new spark plug, and a new chain adjuster. He's got in touch and he's going to come and pick it up sometime this week. So I said, well, I'll get out and tune it up. And so I've just done that. So it's good to go. Yeah. So a couple of little repairs. This saw's been pretty good actually. He's bought it in 2003, just before they moved out here. Mum had a bit of a moan because he spent about £1,000 on a chainsaw and a strimmer brush cutter. But in the last 18 years or whatever, 17 years, the only thing we've ever had to change on this chainsaw is there's like a swan neck fuel pipe which comes from the carburetor down to the fuel tank. On the bend, it just split. So as you was revving it up and it was demanding more petrol, it was crushing the pipe up and it wouldn't, and it was just cutting out. I fixed that before. He brought it over because he couldn't get it started. The air filter was as blocked as you could, you couldn't get any more blocked. So new air filter, new spark plug, and a bit of a tune up, and hopefully that will see him right for a while yet to come. Low screw, high screw, idle speed. They're the ones we're going to be adjusting. So I'm going to rev it flat out and see what it sounds like. I'm going to wind out the high speed now. So that's... Now I'm going to adjust the low speed so that it picks up smooth. Because at the moment... So that's it. That's how I tune a chainsaw. A lot of people use a tachometer to tell how many revs it's putting out. I haven't got one of those, so I just do it by ear. Now there are videos that tell you to do the low speed first and do the high speed second. There was one video which, if I can find it, I'll put a link in the description. He explained how tuning a carburetor works, and it was scientific, but basic scientific, so that you could understand what was going on when you altered things on the carburetor. So you want to adjust it so that it's sort of clean. Just adjust it rich, so that's screwing it out, just till it starts, the power starts petering down, and then just screw it back into the clean a bit. That's how I do it, and that's how you get optimum performance from your chainsaw. And then adjust the low setting so that it picks up. If the low setting's out, it'll if it's not quite right, it'll bog down. As you pull the trigger, it'll bog down and then rev up. It wants to pick up clean from idle. So then adjust the low speed, the low mixture to do that, and then just compensate with the idle speed, just so that it ticks over nice, because you don't want it to keep cutting out when you let off the throttle. So that's how I do it. Hope it's been of use to some people out there. It's not a really informative video, this one, but this is how I tune a chainsaw. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.